Assalamualaikum. This is Rizwan from TPR Pod. Welcome to Chalan Crew, episode number 21. And here we are again. और
बगैरतों की तरह आगे वापस.
सरखेल अब हमारे बीच नहीं रहा.
Yeah, Sarkhel is fired. There were beard requirements he could not meet. It was a difficult decision. काफी अरसे से we were working on it. आपने देखा होगा नीचे.
Like we gave him time. हमने उसको 3 courses करवाए दाढ़ी रखने के. लेकिन
इतने अरसे में तो मास्टर्स हो जाता है. लेकिन उनसे ना.
We gave him a good salary, mind it.
Yeah.
But
mind it. But क्या कह सकते हैं? Except for खुदा हाफिज. तो हमने कह दिया. But yeah, अगर आपको कोई कहे कि सरखेल was busy और वो आज नहीं आ सकता था इसलिए ही वो नहीं, तो वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
वो झूठ है, खत्म.
वो झूठ है मतलब. और yeah, it is what it is, guys.
So what are we talking about today? Fan questions. We got a lot of fan questions. Yeah. I won't call them my fans. They're just my followers on Twitter. मजबूरी के तहत.
Yeah, haters भी होंगे उसमें.
नहीं bro, तुम्हारे fans बहुत हैं रिजवान. तुम्हारे like genuinely TPR में से सबसे ज़्यादा तुम famous हो.
Oh my God.
It's true. It's true.
Yeah,
it's true.
Yeah. Rizwan is taking that not as a compliment.
Everyone loves your laugh for sure.
Oh my God.
Ali और जोर से हंसो.
हंस के दिखाएं.
अब मैं हंसूंगा नहीं पूरे पॉड में.
Yeah.
I will try. Yeah.
Remember at the start, this was like a really big thing. ये कौन हंस रहा है? किसके हंसने की आवाज आ रही है?
Yeah, when we were audio only. Yeah.
Full bad scene. मतलब to the point कि Rizwan was like अब मैं नहीं हंसूंगा because like ये कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गया.
यार लोग weird comments देना शुरू हो गए थे like इसको बड़ी हंसी आती नहीं मतलब I'm sorry.
रोता क्यों नहीं? हमें रोने की आदत है हमें. खैर अच्छा स्मॉल PSA अगर आपके फोन पे ना कोई आपको WhatsApp पे वीडियो दे जिसमें औरत मार्च हो और ब्लास्फेमी हो रही हो तो जिसने भी आपको भेजी हो ना आप उसके घर जाकर उसको चपेड़े लगा दें क्योंकि दैट वीडियो इज डब्ड. आमिर लियाकत की वीडियो डब नहीं हुई थी, ये वाली डब हुई है. स्मॉल पब्लिक सर्विस अनाउंसमेंट. Moving on swiftly.
Moving on.
extremely swiftly. Yeah bro, मैं सोच रहा था कि हम जरा हालात अपडेट करें. थोड़ा टाइम हो गया था हमें बात किए हुए और फिर हालात जो थे वो बस नादिर ऐसे सिगरेट पी रहा है as if पहली दफा पी रहा है जिंदगी में. Like just the way
यार थोड़ी शर्म भी आ रही है. मैं कैमरा के सामने मैं सिगरेट पी रहा हूँ.
Bro, your mom is going to see this. I will send it to her. अलग से.
Bro, फौरन से मुझे एक फोन आएगा भाई like तुम डॉक्टर के बेटे होते हुए कैसे सिगरेट पी सकते हो.
I'll send this video to auntie. I haven't spoken in like over 5 years. But ये वीडियो तो चेक करना आप. सिर्फ नादर
मुझे क्या रिजवान पे भी शुरू हो जाएंगी कि भाई तुम तो डायबिटिक हो. Like I know this for a fact.
ये वही है जिसका मैंने इलाज करवाया था. अच्छा रिजवान you're looking little reduce. आपने ऐसा लग रहा है कि reduce हुआ है क्या?
दाढ़ी ट्रिम की.
None of us can
reduce 4-5 किलो reduce किया मैं.
4-5 किलो is yeah bro yeah. नादर ने सिगरेट रख दी अपनी इस बात पे. मेरे हाथ जेब में मैं भी ताली बजा.
खत्म हो गई.
आप अंदर ताली बजाएं.
Nadir, I see that Rizwan is in T-shirt and he said कि 2 हफ्ते से AC चल रहा है. आपकी यहाँ हुडी है?
नहीं ब्रो, पंखा अभी तक नहीं चला यहाँ पे.
Oh wow. Islamabad bro, best city in Pakistan.
Yeah, and it's okay. But अभी बारिश भी हुई थी कल और हाँ उससे और फिर ठंड हो गई.
Okay.
यहाँ भी बारिश हुई थी कल, उससे गर्मी और हो गई.
आग की बारिश हुई थी actually. यार अच्छा guys, if you've made it this far, that was Nadir's chair. There's no topic today, so it's just going to be us
Promise.
hanging out. और you know, आपको हमने पहले से बता दिया कुछ सवाल होंगे, but अगर आप उनमें से है ना जो कहें यार ये लोग कुछ बातें कर रहे हैं मैं क्यों देखूं, आप अभी चले जाएं please just go. Nadir, what's up with your music?
यार पता नहीं, अभी बहुत स्लो प्रोसेस से मैं चल रहा हूँ. दो वीडियोस पे काम कर रहा हूँ अभी, और गाने पे काम कर रहा हूँ. मुझे पता नहीं यार, I honestly don't know what I'm doing, when I'm gonna do it, but like I'm taking my time, और मैं slow roast कर रहा हूँ अपने गानों को.
Nice.
And I just want it to be perfect.
अंदर मुलायम निकलेंगे फिर वो बिल्कुल.
यार लेकिन तुम तो
मगर never give up on your dreams.
Yeah.
This is my message.
This refuses.
Based
It's
on-
too close for a phone to focus on it.
Okay.
But also audio listeners, Nadir is holding up a pic that I'm
Yeah.
assuming says "Never give up on your dreams."
Yes. No, actually it says never give up dreams. That's it.
आपके हों किसी और के हों, just never give up.
नहीं, just don't stop dreaming. मतलब आपको
और
ख्वाब
दूसरी
आने-
साइड पे
Yeah.
it says Joyo. So I think that's a Chinese brand. So never give up dreams.
All right. Rizwan, how's your life? How's your life been going?
Bro, interestingly आज क्या डेट हो गई है? 12 मार्च है.
Whenever Rizwan says interestingly,
और-
I'm always like, fuck.
हाँ,
अब क्या हो गया?
Interestingly आज 12 मार्च 2021 है, और कल 1 साल हो जाएगा जब मेरी जिंदगी में बहुत बड़ा चेंज आया था कि शादियां बैन हो गई थी.
Oh, अच्छा.
और
Right.
और अभी मुझे किसी ने एक सर्कुलर फॉरवर्ड किया है जिसमें सोशल गैदरिंग्स पे कंप्लीट बैन अनाउंस हो गया है.
Yeah.
तो here we go again. Let's see. अब मेरे ख्याल से 1 साल में people have innovated शादियां, like indoor नहीं करेंगे,
Yeah.
छुपा के कर लेंगे, whatever. I don't know, man, because
नहीं, I read वो
शादियां-
that guy Hamza something DC Islamabad जो है, I saw 2-3 days ago he had posted कि इस्लामाबाद में लॉकडाउन हो रहा है, आउटडोर इवेंट्स अलाउड हैं सिर्फ 300 लोग तक के. What the fuck?
Yeah,
300
that's-
लोग क्या करोगे तुम? अंदर भी करवा लो. तो
यार ऑनेस्टली
yeah.
वही बात हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं, बस मास्क लोगों को किसी तरह पहना दो और मतलब
yeah,
सही
basic
है.
बातें हैं. But yeah, oh, I guess this is the topic, bro. मतलब it's been 1 year since fucking I came
Yeah.
home.
ये कौन सा गाना था?
It's a song. I don't remember. But it's like a meme song इसी वजह से.
हाँ, मुझे भी I realized what it was and then I was like, अच्छा, I don't know.
हाँ. So yeah, bro, it's been like a year. 10th March was I think my last day at work. और उसके
Wow.
बाद से मैं घर पे हूँ. And I joined this job ये सोच के कि बड़ा travel का scene होगा इसमें. And they sent me to China and New
Bro,
York.
China was nice.
Yeah. And Pakistan. And I was like,
Yeah.
ये आखिरी वाला मुझे थोड़ा racist लगा. But but that's when we started making the thing, you know. We recorded our thing at Nadir's.
Yep.
One of the early vlogs. उसके बाद I went to Dubai, सरखेल वगैरह के साथ किया, and they were like, bus, they need to be stopped, it's going too far. And बस साल हो गया, और we thought बस हाँ 2-3 हफ्ते की बात है, 2-3 महीने की बात है, 6 महीने की बात है, बस ये 1 साल. Now it's like maybe this is forever.
Bro, मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा था. मुझे लगा था like बस दुनिया खत्म, जिंदगी खत्म हो गई.
Yeah.
और we did make a recovery, but अभी वापस डर लग रहा है कि क्या होगा. Let's see.
हाँ. खैर कोई नहीं, टीवी बेचते ना अपना. तो
हाँ,
Rizwan has now tied Sarkhel for having the fucking largest TV any of us has. We're not going to say how big because आप चोरी हो जाएगी शायद लाहौर में भी, but fucking huge.
सर
Bro, it was-
कितना बड़ा है?
इतना ही बड़ा है जितना रिजवान का है.
नहीं सरखेल का छोटा है.
No, I think Sarkhel said same. 6
नहीं
foot
मेरा
5.
सरखेल से ज्यादा बड़ा है.
हाँ. ब्रो पिक्चर क्वालिटी बताओ, ये बड़े बड़े से कुछ नहीं होता. सही है, देखो ये बड़ा जो है ना उसमें मोशन की क्या सीन है.
रिजवान तुम्हारा कर्व है या फ्लैट है? नहीं एज ए टीवी.
फ्लैट है, कर्व नहीं है.
नहीं मेरा भी
TV.
कर्व्ड है ना.
हाँ नहीं अब
हाँ.
हाँ कर्व का अपना मजा है. या खैर
वो तो
कहीं
उनसे
से भी
पूछे.
कहीं से भी दिख जाता है.
देखने वालों से. हाँ जिनको
Yeah.
I'm so tired man. I'm so
Shut up.
Yeah, fuck this man. Fucking middle aged 35 साल के लौंडे.
Yeah, I was
नहीं ब्रो मैं नहीं हूँ.
I was I'm listening to Kevin Hart का podcast and he's like 41 years old. And I was like, I thought he was
What?
मुझसे कोई बहुत बड़ा है.
Yeah,
He's
what?
like
That's
41.
it? What the fuck?
So and then I'm like, wow, he's मेरी उम्र के इतने करीब है. And then I was like, wow, I'm so close to 41. Oh no.
Yeah, man. Fuck.
Yeah. लोगों
Wow.
के पैर.
पॉडकास्ट बना रहे हो तो.
हाँ. लोग कहते हैं ना टांगे लटकी हुई हैं कब्र पे. अभी हमारे पैर एट किनारे पे हैं. अभी
हाँ.
अभी
Yeah.
फिर हम बैठेंगे, फिर हमारी टांगे लटकेंगी. तो but you know we're in the graveyard bro. मतलब
Bro, I talked about this with a few people, probably you guys too. Okay. So my bhanja just started school, and it just hit me वैसे ही कि oh, by the time he does A levels, I'll be 50. I don't
इससे
know.
बेहतर है
just-
बंदा मर जाए खुद ही.
Yeah. It was just that perspective, like yeah, I was like, oh shit, bro. मतलब
Like, अभी हम कोई फॉर्म शॉर्म
काफी.
भर रहे थे एंड
Yeah.
उसमें था कि हाई स्कूल कब किया था. बस मैं सोचता रह गया. मैं
याद ही नहीं है.
fucking 2005. Like, do you feel your age mentally? Physically,
Oh,
we
nahin,
feel
not
10
at
years
all.
older, but mentally, do you feel like बचपन में जो हमने सोचा था कि you know we'd be like 30, mid 30s, whatever, and you know एक बंदा एक ही vibe होगी mental. Do you feel like
Bro, I don't know. We're like I'm still fucking wasting time on Instagram and Twitter all day. मतलब वो ही चल रहा है जो Gen Z भी कर रहा है. So it's kind of weird.
Guys बच्चे पैदा कर लो.
that's also a thing? Yeah.
Yeah.
एक सेकंड में अभी right now.
जानू.
छोटा सा काम है, ज्यादा तो बिल्कुल देर नहीं. Yeah,
But
Middle aged were
again,
TPR.
like ये नए वाले बच्चे like my भांजा, they in like a few years जब उनको ज्यादा होश आ जाता है, they won't even know Tom and Jerry for fuck's sake. Like I don't know.
That's why you're wearing a
Regular-
shirt.
Yeah, that's why I'm wearing a shirt.
Never
मतलब,
forget.
bro,
नहीं टॉम एंड जेरी की
keeping it
मूवी आ
alive.
गई अभी.
Tom and
हाँ,
Jerry
तो
की
वैसे
movie.
काफी लोगों ने
yeah.
वो भी देख ली जैक स्नाइडर कट.
Yes. There's one,
गलती
I
से.
don't know if you know, but there was this thing with HBO Max.
Okay.
Going Tom and Jerry वाली film, but कुछ glitch हो गया क्योंकि उसपे Snyder cut भी आना है. तो some people hit play और Snyder cut शुरू हो गया Tom and Jerry के बजाय. People are like, what the fuck is happening? Oh god. एक सेकंड तो टांगे stretch कर लो audience साहब जरा बुरा ना.
हाँ बस 35 bro मतलब यही होगा.
Yeah, but khair, I've in 2021 news I've started fucking working out again. तो बस भाई आ रहा है पाकिस्तान bro. ले शोले लेके Nader
अबे
Another what?
hope you will be there in Pakistan.
हाँ इंशाल्लाह.
Yeah, but I think Islamabad scene होगा. But yeah, man. And also we're going to hit episode 100. This is probably going to be
oh wow.
97, and yeah.
Who are we inviting for 100? Like
Fucking us,
let's
bro.
have opera over.
Oh, did you see the thing? I didn't watch it.
मैंने
I
जंग
didn't
क्या
watch it.
देखी?
I just saw the memes.
Yeah, I just saw the memes. Yeah, but कितना खुश हुए ना हमारे लोग इसको देख के ना, जैसे
यार, like, let's not talk about our fucking people for a while.
uh,
Yeah.
I
Rizwan,
mean,
let's talk about them actually. I want to hear what you have to say.
Yeah, no, especially this is the week where we've just gotten done with Aurat March. So
Hmm.
our people are at their worst right now.
Yeah.
So
हलक
रोज
तक आया
आपको
टटी
रोज
जो है
आपको
वो
अलग
हलक
अलग
तक आई हुई है हमारे लोगों को.
एग्जैक्टली अली तुम्हारे पीछे से कुछ ऐसे ग्रीन सा गुजरा है मतलब
Hmm?
I don't know bro, it was like an orb or something.
But I don't
Yeah.
know.
That's cool.
Yeah, but anyway, we got some questions. जो कि I asked for questions because इतने हम बुढ़े हो गए, इतनी देर से हम एज की बात कर रहे हैं. I'm 34, Rizwan is 35, तो ये मिला के कितने हो गए? 69. Nice. और Nadir is how old? 33.
33, yes.
Yeah, so 69 plus 33, 99, 102. 102, bro. 102 years of experience between all of us. What problem is there that we would not have advice on? Nothing.
Yeah.
So we got some questions on Instagram.
Thank-
Kuch boys the. And then Rizwan got a lot of questions on his Twitter. So, fuck it, bro. Let's just do audience. This is हम आपके लिए कर रहे हैं यार.
That's it.
आपके लिए.
Yeah.
So let's just go to some questions. The first question we got. Tell us about some defining moments in which your lives, which changed you guys. Okay. So again, I think what it means is some defining moments that changed your life.
Yeah.
Nadir.
Nadir, you start.
No, I need some time. I have something, but I need to process it. You guys go ahead.
Okay.
Ali.
Ali.
Transfer. Low. Defining moment that changed my life. Leaving Pakistan. I think that was a very defining moment for me. और I think अगर मैं पाकिस्तान में रहता, क्योंकि हम सारे लोगों की बात करते हैं, अच्छे लोग, बुरे लोग, अच्छी आदतें, बुरी आदतें. A lot of things are affected by the halat around you as well. And I think अगर मैं पाकिस्तान में रहता, तो I don't think I would have been this person. And since I am happy being this person, I think that is a good thing. Good or bad तो नहीं पूछा, but defining moment. और हाँ, बस the reason I left Pakistan was also a very, very fucking defining moment. But खैर, leaving Pakistan in general, I think was a very defining moment for me. उसके बाद नौकरी लगी. I met Rizwan, Sarhel, Nadir, all after leaving. My wife came here. Came here, all of that shit. So I think that is if I hadn't left Pakistan, I would not have joined Twitter. And how much better the world would have been. But yeah. Rizwan.
Bro, I think similar. Like, I guess my leaving Pakistan and then coming back to Pakistan was the defining moment, like 5-6 saal pehle. That changed everything. Like leaving Pakistan originally probably laid the foundations of me learning what I don't want to do in life. जो भी corporate job था, जैसा भी all of that for 3 or 4 years, or quitting all that was the defining moment where सोचे बगैर एक दिन सुबह उठ के I just quit और उस शाम मैं वापस पाकिस्तान आ गया और एक नया career की तरफ just started working towards something completely new that I had never done in my life. So that was the defining moment where quitting my job essay was the defining moment where everything I do now and I am now is based on that. Just making that decision ke bas bahut ho gaya, quit.
Yeah. Neds, what about you?
Yeah, I don't know if this is like a defining moment where it's like a defining like whole process of life, I guess. I think, without sounding sappy or like, too uh, sentimental, I think when I got married, that was a pretty defining moment for me. Because I feel like,
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
you know, um, एक तो मैं बहुत एक I like a very specific genre of people, you know. And I've only surrounded myself with such kind of people growing up वगैरह, and बाकी सारे बस L पे रखता था. So in a way, like after I got married, not meeting like a whole new family and making them my own, and meeting her friends and making them my own, and adjusting to a whole new person, I think that was definitely like changed a lot in me. Like I had a lot of adjusting to do and realizing that दुनिया में और किस्म के लोग होते हैं. So I
Yeah.
think that was definitely a defining moment.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, fair. That's fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hope that answers your question.
Fucking night.
फिर उसके बाद let's see ये मरवाएगा मैं. What's the one thing Pakistanis really need to improve?
Bro, मुझसे पूछ लो.
हाँ बताओ ना उधर.
Bro, acha, more than anything, I mean, I think this is something that will come with a lot of like, there are stages to it. It will come with definitely a lot of empathy, first of all, but I feel like Pakistanis really need to change their fucking aesthetic. Say it?
Yes.
Like,
yes.
for fuck's sake, like, मतलब कि हम like थोड़े से भी different third world country में चले जाते हैं, and they have their own culture going, they have something going, कुछ होता है, हमारा सिर्फ खाना है, सही है, उसके अलावा there's nothing that like apart from like lawn के जोड़े and shit like that, we like our buildings, our fucking streets, हमारे town planning, town mapping, the way that we even make our own bloody houses, they're so shitty, I think aesthetic हमें change करना है या थोड़ा सा, and I think that comes from a lack of identity, because we've just like killed, and this is like a whole पुरानी बात, और हमारी history में अगर जाएं, we realize that this happened because we completely like abandoned our roots, which were back in India pre 1947, right? Like cheese बनना चाह रहे हैं and all that, and because of that हमने पूरा अपना aesthetic, like our musical aesthetic, our cultural aesthetic, our architectural aesthetic बिल्कुल मार दिया, और बस अभी cement की हर चीज बनती है.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think that's something that we definitely need to fix.
Yep. I completely agree, man. Matlab, yeah.
I can
pisses
agree.
me off.
Apart from the aesthetic thing, क्योंकि मैं इतना आर्ट वाला बंदा नहीं हूँ जितने ये दोनों हैं specifically, but what I can latch on to is कि ये Pakistanis at every level need to, especially the educated and पढ़े लिखे लोग, they need to develop a lot of empathy towards human beings in general. और जो पाकिस्तान में जो वाइब है ना कि बेस्ट है हम, बस अल्टीमेट बेस्ट, दैट इज जस्ट कैंसर, दैट इज लाइक स्ट्रेट कैंसर, और दैट मेक्स अस हेट आवरसेल्व्स, the people around us, people outside of Pakistan, people who used to live here, people history में, everyone. We hate everyone because we have no empathy. अब उसकी वजह एहसास कमतरी हो, उसकी वजह whatever the fuck हो, but नतीजा ये है कि right now, if there's one thing that Pakistanis can improve is they need to understand why empathy is important and that they don't have it.
और हमें accept भी कर देना चाहिए कि हम गंदे हैं.
वो हाँ, I mean empathy से होगा ना वो. क्योंकि अगर 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 सारी दुनिया जिसको आप कहें कि ये लोग साफ हैं या अच्छे हैं, आप तो कहेंगे नहीं ये तो शिट है, क्योंकि ये पाकिस्तानी नहीं है, मुसलमान नहीं है, पंजाबी नहीं है, व्हाटएवर नहीं है। बट यू
Yeah.
नो अगर आप स्टार्ट ही ये कर रहे हैं कि हम
हाँ।
बेस्ट कंट्री, बेस्ट रेस, बेस्ट लैंग्वेज, बेस्ट रिलीजन में पैदा हुए हैं एंड एवरीबॉडी एल्स इज रॉन्ग और शुड डाई, तो बस ठीक है ना, फिर मतलब गटर में रहो खुश। एनीवे
Bro, these are like very educated replies from you guys. So yeah, I feel bad कि मेरे दिमाग में तो आया था पे कम कर दो ना बस just
just
fucking
be normal. I was talking to some
just
people
be
abhi,
normal ना
Clubhouse is this app and pata nahi us pe na, the problem is I'm like fucking old now on this app ki jo group bana hua hai na, sare log are like under 30 at the very least, if not early 20s.
yeah.
तो जिस रूम में मैं जाता हूँ, अली भाई ये बताएं, अच्छी खासी मजे की बात चल रही है तो हम लगा मैं भी जाऊंगा, हंसी मजाक करूंगा, वो सीरियस एडवाइस सेक्शन, रिलेशनशिप एडवाइस, ये वो वगैरह, तो मुझसे, एंड आई एम लाइक just be normal. That is the simplest and also
Yeah.
apparently the most impossible thing for people. Just
Yeah.
be normal. That's it.
Yeah.
Games nahi karo, but just be a person. That's
Bro, can I add something on what one more
For
improvement
sure.
Pakistanis should
Bro,
should
यही तो
strive
हम
for?
काम तो यही है हमारा।
Yeah, maybe we can all try hating women a little less. You know,
just be normal. Just be
बहुत
वो भी इंसान है,
बहुत
आप भी इंसान है. Just be normal.
बहुत ज्यादा नफरत है ना, मतलब
There
कि
was that photographer thing that happened this
as
week.
all of that, yeah, that photographer incident, we can talk about that, or
Fuck that guy. Uski pictures हमेशा से
it's
shirt लगती
crazy, man. As long as Pakistani women, if they are fitting your picture of the perfect woman, जो कि सिर्फ एक माँ और बहन घर पे खाना बना रहे हैं, बिस्तर सही कर रहे हैं, कपड़े इस्त्री कर रहे हैं, और वो जब बाप घर आता है तो चाय और खाना गर्म करके ला रहे हैं, जब तक वो तस्वीर आपकी पूरी उतरती है, उन औरतों के लिए आप जान देने को भी तैयार है ना, मतलब वो मेरी माँ के बारे में कुछ बोला एंड हम कत्ल कर देंगे एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Yeah.
जैसे ही वो ये खैर ये भी जो बातें मैं कर रहा हूँ, it's nothing new that I'm talking about, we all know this shit.
अच्छा, सबको
I
पता है,
don't know, man.
सबको पता है सही और गलत क्या है,
Yeah.
जो भी आपका रिलीजन
Yeah.
है, आपका
Yeah.
बिलोंग, आपका जिधर से भी है, आपका ब्रॉट अप जो भी है, आप अमीर है, सही और गलत एट अ बेस लेवल यू नो, उसके ऊपर ना यू फिट लाइज
Yeah.
टू जस्टिफाई दैट यू आर नॉट रॉन्ग, कि नहीं नहीं ये तो यू नो हमारा तो कल्चर ये है, हाँ ये तो हमारी सोसाइटी है, ये तो हमारा ट्रेडिशन है, यू नो इट इज रॉन्ग but you will refuse to think about it because you know whatever, just be a fucking person yaar, matlab anyway,
Yeah.
fuck you Saad Khalil, kyun pucha tumne? Next question. The Haroon ke sabse sawal, if you have to listen to only one Pakistani singer for the rest of your life, who would you choose?
Well, I mean, if we're talking about singing, like, okay, like, honestly, I am, like, bachpan se I've been a big Ali Azmat fan for sure. Like, but I feel like if it were up to just like pure aesthetics of sing, but then, okay, if we're just talking about singing and not like artistry or music, vagara, I would even like choose maybe Jawad Bashir for that matter. But
No,
I
but
think,
this is like, think about it, one Pakistani singer, only his music.
Yeah.
Chalo, include like stuff he does in the future also. But based on
Yeah.
what they've done so far, who's the one person you would pick?
Oh, so far, damn. Hard to say. Could there be like a top 3 maybe?
Yeah, sure.
Man, this is a really tough question.
Yeah. I
But I
think
gave you some answers, so just
I'm
deal
going to
with it.
be both pretentious and cliched and say I feel like if I paid attention to Nusrat ka music would have enough for me.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah. And
नहीं वैसे बॉय का सीन है वैसे नुसरत is pretty like it's universally like you know like कोई बर्गर भी सुन सकता है और appreciate कर सकता है.
प्लस आधे घंटे के गाने भी होते हैं तो लाइफ भी निकल जाएगी उसके उसके साथ. रिजवान आप बताएं, you're back now.
Bro, Nadir Shahzad from Sikandar Ka Mandar.
Bro, like be real. Be
Bro,
real,
मतलब
buddy.
मेरी बात सुनो. I don't listen to Pakistani music even close to as much as you guys listen to, even Sarkhel. And Sikandar Ka Mandar is one band that I listen to a lot, like Gaadi वगैरह में भी. So yeah, current artists में से I don't know anyone. इतने
Past भी चले
नए
जाओ.
नाम.
Anyone. Ali Azmat. Nadir said Ali Azmat. I said Nusrat.
I guess that makes a good list for me too. I've seen Junoon live like a few times, and
Flex.
they were some of the best times of my life. और एक तो मैंने उनका farewell concert देखा था दुबई में 2005.
फिर वो वापस आ गए.
और फिर वो वापस आ गए. Yeah, kill the vibe for me.
Yeah.
तो Ali Azmat, yeah. बाकी yeah, I wish I was older when Ustad Ji was alive, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. So I've only properly discovered him probably after he left us. So
yeah, I was 10 when he died.
Yeah, I was
12.
like 11, 11 or 12. Yeah,
I was 11.
Yeah.
I'm assuming.
Or I get to kind of, it sounds kind of stupid शायद, but थोड़ा सा अगर उनको experience करने का मुझे मौका मिलता है. So there is this one Kawal who comes to weddings a lot, and he's Ustad Asif Ali Santu Khan, and he sounds like 90% like Nusrat, and he's really good. Or I've seen him many times at weddings, of course, because he's very popular at weddings. बल्कि उनकी टीम को like मेरी शक्ल याद हो गई भी है. हाँ, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
सर आप भी आए सर.
So yeah, I hope he keeps singing and keeps Nusrat Ji alive. But yeah, Nadir bro, if there was one, I would pick you.
Thanks, bro.
इकराश अहमद, long time listener and commenter. मॉक्स की तैयारी ना करूं और सिर्फ सीआई की करूं तो चलेगा? इसका मैं जवाब इंस्टाग्राम पे दे दिया है.
Of course चलेगा. मतलब पढ़ लिख के करना क्या है चुतिया पे?
You're not old enough for this. But नहीं, what I told him was कि मॉक्स की तैयारी करो क्योंकि ताकि जब उसमें लसन लगे तो you realize कि असल में कितना बैड सीन है, and then you study harder. Yeah bro. अच्छा जी, अहमद सैयद.
यार देखें, लेकिन आप अपने मॉक्स पहनना ना भूलें आजकल कोविड में, ठीक है ना?
अल्लाह माफ.
Sorry bro.
Ahmed Sayed, one half of the podcast duo. उनका सवाल है, हाँ, how to find meaning in the monotonous 9 to 5. अच्छा, मजे की बात ही है. I said this to him as I shared the story also. इसकी अभी जॉब लगी है. How to find meaning, साले. करो तभी, मतलब घर से निकले नहीं है. But yeah, chalo, I guess what you could do. I have worked a 9 to 5, the longest in here, even if Sarkhel was here, which he's been fired again. So even if he was here, the thing you need to realize is that your job doesn't have to be who you are as a person. And आप अच्छे से काम करें, ये करें वो करें. हो सकता है it's not as interesting. Most people seem to not be interested in their jobs, but it gives you money, and you can use that money to do things that you are interested in. So you know, it does have value. और बस काम को काम तक रखो, सही से करो. Other people are also working with you, इस तरह की बात है. नहीं पसंद है तो hopefully you can find. सर आप तो फिर फॉरेन में रहते हैं तो फिर आपके पास तो फिर ऑप्शन इस तरह की ना मीठी बात है. अच्छा, ये हारून साहब,
हसन मिनाज कोई जॉब दिलवा देगा?
हसन मिनाज से पूछ लो ना तुम, हैं?
हाँ, हमसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? उससे पूछो.
Ali Abdal is another big YouTuber guy. I don't know if you guys know him, but he's a Pakistani, British doctor, whatever guy. Big YouTuber, more than 1 million plus subscribers. YouTube is his full-time job. he recently came on the broadcast podcast. तो वो
Nice.
एपिसोड आने वाली है, तो आप जरा फॉलो करें ब्रॉडकास्ट बॉयज को. ब्रॉडकास्ट की स्पेलिंग इज BROD कास्ट. या चेक करें आप जरा.
Yep.
उसमें हम भी आए हैं, which I think is a bigger thing.
Yeah.
A bigger thing
Yeah,
than,
मतलब हाँ.
अच्छा, फिर हारून का एक सवाल आया which I guess only Rizwan can really answer, but maybe
Wow.
Nader and I will also think of something. Favorite
Okay.
Bollywood film?
Of all time, जो जीता वही सिकंदर.
Is it from there?
It is.
Oh, Chalo, that's good.
Bro, it is my all-time fucking favorite Bollywood movie. मेरे बचपन की भी यादें उससे वाबस्ता हैं.
Okay.
And
okay.
we could relate a lot because Dubai में मैं probably model school type के school में था. And the Rajput school were there, like St. Mary's and Cambridge वगैरह. और ये सब काफी हमने भी experience किया. मैंने तो experience किया था. काफी मिलती जुलती चीजें. So I love that movie of
Nice.
the underdog. और वो उसमें रेसिंग का सीन भी है और लाइक साइकिलिंग का भी बहुत शौक था बचपन से.
जो जीता वो सिकंदर आमिर खान की फिल्म.
Yep, आमिर खान.
पापा कहते हैं वाला गाना.
नहीं, that's Amir Khan's first movie. कयामत से कयामत तक.
से कयामत. तो क्यों से क्यों. Okay, Nats, do you have an answer?
Yeah, I have like a elaborate answer. I think like of recent times, I definitely like I'm a huge fan of the Gangs of Wasseypur series.
Oh yes.
But I think purani filmon mein, the films that I was growing up with, I definitely really liked like Kante. And I really liked yeah, and I really like Amir Khan ki movies वैसे like Three Idiots type की movies अच्छी थी. Lagan was so nice. Lagan was
Lagan is amazing.
Quite an interesting movie.
Yeah, Rang De Basanti.
But yeah, Amir Khan generally makes decent films. I feel like uska like in terms of like mainstream at least like काफी fit movie.
I think the movie I would say is, because I'm a huge ironic Shah Rukh Khan fan, and the movie where he is peak ultimate Shah Rukh Khan is his Dawn and Dawn 2.
Oh shit!
उसमें वो इतना शाहरुख खान होता है कि it is like
रज के.
हाँ, he is like unleashed. So Shah Rukh Khan, and I think that is the only reason why I like. Also, उसमें Priyanka Chopra थी, because before she turned into like whatever she is now, and Dawn 2 में उसने fighting की थी, and that was the first time I saw like a Bollywood like lady fighting, and I was like, oh good यार, मतलब उन्होंने भी मेहनत की है. And but old
Bro,
Bollywood,
Priyanka was actually a very good actor. I used to like Priyanka at that time. Before
she was very good. Yeah, before Yunus se shaadi se pehle. I guess that's it. I guess those are the questions. And then now we're going to Rizwan question time. And Rizwan question time में Twitter पे हमारे पास कई सवाल आए हैं.
Acha, so should I start answering my questions?
Yeah,
please.
And we will also answer your questions.
Yeah, जो मुझे आए हैं.
हाँ.
Yeah. मुझसे reclaiming me, पता नहीं, at rambling on ने पूछा है. Share a meal you've had and have never forgotten. Do you guys want to answer that too? Yeah.
हाँ, तुमने तो सोचा होगा, तो तुम करो, and जब तक I'll think about it.
यार अच्छा, मतलब funny लगेगा, but it is a KFC meal. But why have I not forgotten it? Because this was the first time I ever had KFC, and this is probably in 1993, and it was Al Wahda, Sharjah जाते हुए रास्ते में वो McDonald's, Wendy's, KFC होता था. And third grade में था मैं, और मेरे क्लासमेट की बर्थडे पार्टी वहाँ पे थी. And that's where he invited like the पूरी क्लास वगैरह भी, बड़े अमीर लोग थे. और That's where I had KFC for the first time with coleslaw, and I had no idea coleslaw kya hota hai, and
Yeah.
I was like, wow, that's nice. Or तब उनका एक fruit salad भी होता था, like a mixed fruit push sugar syrup के अंदर, and I had a zinger. It changed my life, of course. And why again I also remember that is because the guy who invited us, he passed away a few years ago, like freak death, like he just tripped in the shower, or bichara, he, like, broke his neck,
Oh no.
and it was pretty shocking. The wo it's a weird way to remember a KFC meal, I guess, but that stuck with me. Yeah, I'm not trying to make this funny, but, it is what it is. So
Rizwan की life इतनी happening है कि someone asked him, what meal do you like? और उसकी story में died.
Damn. Heavy.
Sometimes I wish Rizwan तुम्हारी जिंदगी में इतना कुछ ना हो.
oh god.
Sometimes it's just too much. It can't be कि मैंने KFC खाया और मुझे अच्छा लगा. नहीं, जिसकी birthday पे कहा, he died. Fuck off.
Yeah, we all have to go one day. So,
अबे. कुछ और कहते थे. Why did you have to say this?
I don't know. This is the first thing that came to my mind. So it's one meal that I'll never forget.
मैयत पे जो खाना होता है.
Oh fuck.
कैसी बात है ये?
Oh my god. आप लोग जवाब देना चाहेंगे इस सवाल?
Nope. Nothing I can say will ever.
Bro, acha, next question. So next question is from our very recent guest of the podcast, Kehan Suleiman.
Follow him on Twitter. He does funny Twitter threads and gamer BI, or he's cool.
Yeah. Or he's also a jinn. So he asked me, drop your skincare routine. Guys, Nadir, please, batao.
Bro, मैं I guess हफ्ते में एक बार मुंह धो लेता हूँ. Like I don't really do much. I did do a nose strip recently, but like उसमें कुछ निकला नहीं. And then Mariam told me later that I didn't do it properly. So yeah.
Man.
But I do
pull out game not strong, huh?
आजकल okay, but आजकल मैं beard को shampoo करता हूँ. So
oh nice, I do that too. Yeah.
I have a beard shampoo, beard and mustache shampoos. So separate from my normal shampoo.
Is that like does that have a noticeable impact?
It just smells nice.
As compared to like, because I just use the same shampoo for head and face.
Me too. I use head and shoulders and face now.
Yeah.
I think it's I don't know, it has this separate sort of, it's different. It's separate from my shampoo. So I guess it just is an added expense. It's not really doing anything differently from your shampoo. So
right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I do use a face wash. Uska naam kya hai, Palvasha? That face wash. Dermotine. Yeah, it's called Dermotine.
Hi, Palvasha.
Yeah, Palvasha is in the background. Now they're saying hi. Hello. Or I have recently started using this moisturizer thing. That Basma sent us. So thank you, Basma.
Move on.
अली तुम क्या क्या इस्तेमाल करते हो इस सुंदर त्वचा का राज?
So a long time ago, not so long ago, I had like a fuck ton of acne. Like umar daraz tak na matlab, it wouldn't go, like bad cystic acne wala scene. So then after several years of treatments that didn't really fix it, but just kept it thoda suppressed, I went on Accutane and now it's gone. Allah ka shukar.
Nice.
Yeah, what I have noticed helps with my skin specifically is water. जब से मैंने ये पानी की बोतल ली है, I'm drinking this like 750 ml. जब से मैंने ये ली है, and also because I'm fucking home all the time, एक साल से, I've been drinking like 3 to 4 bottles a day.
Bro, जरा पी के दिखाओ.
मुंह भी खुला।
स्लाइस का ऐड याद आ गया. अच्छा.
So that's really, that always helps. I always notice that my water intake goes up. And then pandemic scene, fucking, we talked about this in our group. Our personal hygiene went off the cliff so quickly. मतलब इतनी जल्दी we lost hope. मतलब मुंह नहीं धुल रहे हैं, दांत ब्रश नहीं हो रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या क्या. But now
यार जब किसी ने सूंघना ही नहीं है तो
wives, our poor wives locked with us. किधर जाओगी? बाहर कोविड है. But yeah, what happened is कि now I've started like working out. तो ये होता है कि हफ्ते में 4-5 दिन if I do work out तो फिर उसके बाद फिर नहाना भी होता है और उसके साथ फिर हो जाता है. And I have a scrub. I think it's some aloe vera scrub, not the one that everyone hates.
Nice.
But yeah, it's a scrub that I use sometimes. So
Yeah.
yeah, hope that answers the query.
Yeah, I've also started like doing this thing called, I don't know if you guys know, it's noni juice. I think that really is good for skin and just general vitamins and vitality. So
Okay. Yeah.
Please अगला सवाल पढ़ लो.
Oh my God.
अनहोनी
next.
को कर दे नोनी.
no, but it's a genuinely a thing. Like doctors
question.
recommend it.
Please, next question.
अच्छा, this is one question that हम तीनों short answers दे सकते हैं. Guitar learning trajectory बताएं अपनी.
Okay, mine is the simplest, so I'll go first because मुझे सबसे कम आता है. I don't play guitar. I used to play bass. वो हुआ ये था कि Battle of Bands हुआ, फिर सबने बैंड बनाना था और इत्तेफाकन before that I listened to किसी के कंप्यूटर पे Can't Stop by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. And मैं ये गाना तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. फिर बहादुराबाद पे there was a music store बिल्कुल बहादुराबाद roundabout पे. I've forgotten the name. Music Zone, I don't know whatever. उधर से I got Red Hot Chili Peppers की Best of CD, and I was like, oh my god, ये तो bass है, इसमें इतना सारा bass. I got a bass, और I never learned. Like notes मेरे हमेशा से कच्चे थे और but मुझे बजाना आ गया बहुत सारा. And then I left Pakistan और मैं सब भूल गया. फिर अभी recently pandemic में Nader was teaching me how to play guitar. If he's still doing it, you can follow up with him. He teaches guitar. और वो मैंने किया, I think for a fair महीना 1.5 महीना तक किया था. Guitar that Rizwan said, everything I have in my life is because of my friends. And it's also true. But yeah, so it was good. I think I've stopped playing and taking classes and whatever, but ये है कि I think I can. तो ये idea हो गया. So I think थोड़े पैसे हों तो I'll get a guitar that also maybe inspires me to play more also. Or just get strings on this one, because के strings रखे सड़ भी गए थे थोड़े. But yeah, Rizwan.
यार 2006 I met this guy. मेरा very good friend of mine, Shamil, and he used to play guitar. Or I had never been interested in playing guitar उससे पहले, but when I saw him play, or he was very like वो उस time I had never seen anybody play like that, like, you know, a lot of वो scales ऊपर नीचे, arpeggios हो रहे हैं and all of that, like speedy playing or blues बज रहा है. तब around that time I was kind of getting into blues and rock से भी शुरू. तो उसको देख के I wanted to start learning how to play guitar. अब मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे to buy my own guitar, तो वो कुछ simple सा बजाता था कॉलेज में और फिर मैं उसका गिटार घर लेके जाता था. And then I would try to play the same thing that he played, just learning by ear. तो मैंने कभी वो थियरी वगैरह पढ़ने का ढीठ हो गया ना कि पढ़नी नहीं है, सीखनी नहीं है, ऐसे ही सीखना है.
Yeah.
So the basics that a lot of people start learning when learning guitar is like strumming patterns और ये सब, ये मुझे naturally आ गया उसको देख के. थोड़ा बहुत म्यूजिक तो हमारे अंदर था ही. तो I learned everything शुरू में through him just by ear, और फिर वो अमेरिका चला गया, वहां से मुझे कॉल किया करता था, लाइक 1 घंटे की कॉल जिसमें he would just be playing shit on the phone and I would try to play के साथ, लाइक फोन पे जैम हो रहा है जो एक दूसरे को सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा, बस एक को सुनाई दे रहा है, so we would play ऐसे और उस तरह फिर he gave me my first electric guitar, my Fernandez Strat जो अभी तक है मेरे पास, and then these friends of mine gave me an amp पिछले साल, so I play that guitar again now, so thank you my lovely friend. That's the story, I guess. I didn't learn बहुत ज़्यादा because मैं वही सीखता रहा जो उसको देख के मैंने सीखा था. Then I started playing like मेरे favorite guitar players like B.B. King and Eric Clapton वगैरह को सुन के उनके techniques अपने गिटार में डालना. But again, never learned theory, which got exposed जब मैं नादिर के साथ जैम कर रहा था कुछ महीनों पहले. It was horrible. नादिर मुझे कुछ simple सा बोलता था, like पता नहीं, for example, A7 बजाओ. I'm like, what the fuck is that? I have no idea. तो
धुन से
yeah.
पहचानते हैं हम अबू.
हाँ bro, मैं बस कान
Nadir,
कान.
what is your story, Nads?
Yeah, I think like there's no simple answer to this. Like I've had several different journeys throughout my life on when I started and stopped and wanted to do something else with my life also musically. But I think it started when I was like in 9th grade. मैंने बल्कि उससे भी पहले I sort of was interested. I was always interested कि मुझे I want to be in a band and I want to make my own music and all of that. So I bought my first guitar myself with my EB when I was in 9th grade. And 2500 रुपए का मैंने एक गिटार उठाया था, acoustic guitar, and it wasn't great. इसका इतना बड़ा एक्शन था and मगर मैं फिर भी बजाता था. And but I learned like most of my like open chords वगैरह सारे उसके ऊपर सीखे थे. There's this friend of mine called Junaid, Joe. He used to play in this band called Ash back in the day.
I remember Ash. Yeah.
So he taught me most of my basic, chord chords, and I think even the first pentatonic scale position usne hi sikhaya tha. And then after that, I just kind of was left on my own, and I started doing things on my own. But like, I think, over the years, yeah, I started writing my own songs and everything. Well, but really, when I started teaching, I started to learn a lot of things, like जो basic चीजें जो मुझे नहीं पता थी. I started to strengthen the basics again by looking at a lot of tutorials, because I feel like when we were kids, the YouTube tutorials नहीं होते थे इतने ज़्यादा. या थे ही नहीं,
थे ही नहीं, YouTube ही नहीं था.
हाँ, तो हम tabs वगैरह देख के हम गाने सीखते थे. And I think guitar. Like, yeah, a lot of like basic things that that जो देख के आपको समझ में आती है, वो आप tabs से नहीं सीख सकते, especially if you don't know how to read music. So I feel like right now when I go and YouTube के अच्छा tutorial for Can't Stop Red Hot Chili Peppers, for example, I think I'll get the nuances better than I did back there. उस ज़माने में तो it was just like तुक्के से सारा बजता था. So yeah, I think like technology really is a key for helping musicians these days, and I think musicians are getting better because of technology, because of YouTube and everything.
Next.
Bro, there's just कुछ सवाल हैं जो खाली मेरे लिए हैं. Like Avinash, another old guest of ours.
Shout out.
Shout out to Avinash. He asked me, do they still have portable signals at Shadiwal Chowk? So मेरे घर के पास एक चौक है जिसका नाम है शादीवाल चौक, और जिसपे अशद जरूरत है ट्रैफिक सिग्नल्स की, but the Intizamiya has refused to put up traffic signals there. It's horrible. It's one of the worst places in Lahore to be at during rush hour, which is like 20 hours a day, every day in Lahore. और तो बीच में कोई 2-3 साल पहले they tried bringing these portable traffic signals to Shadiwal Chowk. They were like signals on wheels and they would roll them out like traffic वाले लेके आते थे और वो खड़ा कर देते थे चौक के बीच में, 2 सिग्नल, एक इधर फेसिंग है उधर फेसिंग, and that was pretty funny. Like a lot of Georgetown people saw those and tweeted about them वगैरह, including me. And Avinash was very fascinated by it. He's our Indian friend. India में ये चीजें मुझे नहीं लगता, you know, technology अभी ऐसी नहीं
मोदी जी के होते हुए
तो
okay.
they don't have the portable signals anymore. They should bring them back.
Pandemonium वापस.
Yeah. और क्या है यार, कोई और सवाल आया है मुझे? Is your soap slow?
क्या मतलब है सवाल का? आप बताएंगे हमें?
रहने दो ब्रो। एक सवाल उस्मान अजमल साहब का है कि do you guys have any favorite photographer page or creator on Instagram that you would recommend to us to
Palvasha
follow
Menas.
there?
If you want to get into wedding photography,
of course.
Palvasha Menas and her associate Rizwan Takhar. Rizwan Takhar also does portraits. अगर आपको BMW portraits चाहिए,
not anymore because fuck people who like book
he
a
used
slot.
He used to do portraits. But for free. Now only paid. पैसे दो वरना बढ़ो.
पैसे दो और फिर शायद मैं आऊंगा, you know. तो
but I like who do I like? Fuck, there's this guy. There's this British Asian guy. I will find Ruben Wu. I think that's his name. He does.
Okay.
I'm a big fan of landscape photography. Landscape photography is एक दो टाइप की ही होती है, बस गोल्डन आवर, सनराइज, सनसेट, मिल्की वे, इस तरह की बातें, ठीक है. रूबिन वू ने क्या किया है? रूबिन वू हैज टेकन ड्रोन्स और ड्रोन्स के ऊपर उसने लगा दिए कुत्तों वाली लाइट, लाइक सुपर ब्राइट लाइट, and he creates these like full alien kind of landscape की तस्वीरें कि मतलब रात हो रही है but he's managed to light up a mountainside और उसके ऊपर, like it looks super insane. The link is in the description. आप जाएं, आप देखें. One of the greatest photographers in my view.
Bro, I have a favorite photographer on Instagram apart from Palvasha, of course, that I follow. I don't think I should spell the name. It's Dubnitsky David or something. I don't know. तुम्हें भेजूंगा, तुम link डाल देना.
Link नीचे इसकी भी है. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Link डाल देना. Most of his photography is mostly a theme around like erotic photography, but not really. Like it's
art उसमें बहुत है.
बड़ा painting style, like, and very like old fields वाला scene है. And he also does like he has a separate page where he does tutorials on how to achieve those edits. So yeah, he's
Nice.
really cool. He has a lot of followers though, like 1.4 million followers. Fuck that.
Nice.
Yeah, so he is one of my favorite people on Instagram.
Another anyone?
Really good.
Yeah, I don't really follow photographers apart from you guys, so
all of us then.
Yeah.
Next, कोई और सवाल? Riz T.
Bro, I think that's pretty much it. Like कुछ ऐसे ही random है. Like why isn't Shirmal keto?
Oh, that sawal said isn't. Acha, okay.
That's what I'm thinking. I read is, but I'm assuming
I also read is, and
yeah.
I was like, oh, Shirmal is keto? What? Again, love Shirmal, bro. Shirmal
they probably meant isn't. Shirmal is amazing, man.
Yeah, Shirmal is amazing. Fuck you, Asad Nasir. Just, you know what you did. Okay? You're not going to watch this episode. You're not going to listen to it. But I hope someone does and tags you and says ki jaake ye suno. Don't tell him. If you tag him, don't tell him. But fuck you,
Yeah.
Asad Nasir.
There was one question. Sorry, are we like signing off or are we
No,
still
I
talking
mean,
about questions? Best tawa chicken in Lahore. Tawa chicken, again, one of the very rare खाने की चीजें that are very unique to Lahore. और बाकी सब तो हर जगह मिलता है. तवा चिकन ओरिजिनल मेरे ख्याल से बेस्ट है, which is in हीरा मंडी at Arif Chatkara. I feel that's the best one. और उसमें भी I feel they used to do the best tawa chicken only at food festivals. जब वो open air Lahore eat वगैरह पे हो रहे होते थे, their own tawa chicken was the best at the food festivals. और उनके अपनी जगह पे पता नहीं वो वैसा नहीं होता, पता नहीं क्यों. और there are a few other places doing tawa chicken now. कुछ सालों से, like बैठक नाम की एक जगह है phase 5 के पास बेदिया रोड पे, they do a tawa chicken, which is okay. Other people also do it, like hot and spicy करता है मेरे ख्याल से, but they do a weird like
garlic mayo.
like they do a weird छोटा-छोटा कटा हुआ लगता है garlic mayo डाल दिया अंदर.
Yeah,
Garlic-
okay. To be honest, like I think the best like food experience that I always have when I go to Lahore is definitely Bhat Kadai.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Bro,
man.
scene hai Bhat Kadai ka. Like the makhni
Oh.
kadai and
Oh.
even the kebabs are so nice in Bhat
Yeah,
Kadai.
their barbecue is very underrated. Like it's so
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
But kadai to yes, yeah.
Okay. Respect.
Ali
Have
नहीं
you
गए.
been?
Ali तुम हमारे साथ आरिफ चटखारा गए हो मेरे
Arif
ख्याल से.
Chatkara gaya
नहीं?
tha, and there was a
Yes.
shady see date happening in the background
Yes.
with a full hijabi burqa wali auntie. It doesn't matter, it's just what she was wearing. अच्छा, हम
नहीं, it
देख
does
रहे हैं,
matter.
वो shady सी date भी चल रही थी, अच्छा हो गई, and I think she fell down the stairs.
Yes.
Later, because they were like very nervous, ना कि हम भी बैठे थे उधर, and we were like trying our best कि हम बिल्कुल ignore करें, and then they left before us because we obviously came much later. I
Yeah.
think. वो पतली सी सीढ़ियां नीचे जाते थे और हम सहते अच्छा यार पतली आई होप यू नो सब जीरो एकदम चीखने की आवाज है. I think she like slipped and she fell down the stairs. Like the fuck is happening? But the tawa chicken was very good. The tawa chicken was
Yeah. With that Romali roti and hai.
handkerchief bread.
Speaking of like shady dates, I think I was thinking of O levels and Area 51 होता था कराची में.
जिधर नूरी की
Okay.
वीडियो शूट हुई है of दिल की कसम.
Dil Ki Kasam, right?
Yeah.
So I think once I went there with a bunch of my friends, and there was this one guy, like, you know, it didn't seem like he was very well off or anything like that, you know.
These poors.
Just trying to tell you in
Yeah.
social, etc. तो उसका क्या सीन था कि he had two girls sitting on either side of him.
He was doing well. He was well off. अच्छा.
Just wait for it to finish. So what happens is कि he has a whole basket of fries in front of him,
Yeah.
and he's picking up fries, putting them in his mouth, and अपने मुंह से giving each girl a bite.
Whoa.
Both of those girls. So both of them are like into him, and both of them are okay with being into him at the same time.
Oh my lord, bro! These
So-
pre-COVID stories, man.
So this is 2010 से भी पहले.
उसका तो इन्वेंट भी नहीं हुआ था. But wow,
Fuck. तो नादिर, तुमने ये देख के फिर क्या किया?
चिपती चुगनी.
No, I was very impressed with you know, their how brave they are in this country.
Yeah.
Bro, Yes. मतलब that reminds me of this incident जो आज न्यूज में आ रहा था कि
वो
लाहौर में
यूनिवर्सिटी
एक यूनिवर्सिटी के एक लड़का लड़की को निकाल दिया है because they did Valentine's Day.
she proposed. he proposed me,
Yeah.
she proposed, ऐसा कुछ करके. I mean, fuck these universities, bro. मतलब ये वही हैं. I don't know if this has happened in University of Lahore or whatever, but
Yeah.
हमारे यहाँ ये harassment हो जाती है. उस पे कुछ नहीं होता. कुछ नहीं होता. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा
कुछ भी नहीं.
मर्द मार्च की कोई कॉन्फ्रेंस हो जाती है. Fucking incels. But उन बॉय एंड गर्ल ने भी मतलब ओवर द टॉप इंतहा तक सीन किया था. फुल बॉलीवुड मूवी. बट खैर, आई डोंट नो मैन.
मेरा अगर कोई रीजन हो ये सब पब्लिकली ना करने का,
Oh yeah.
मतलब एक तो ये है ना कि आप नहीं करो क्योंकि लोग इतने हैं. दूसरा रीजन भी कुछ ऐसा ही है कि ये लोग डिजर्व ही नहीं करते हमारी इतनी ये खुशी का मोमेंट देखना. लाइक फक दीस पीपल.
Yeah.
करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Yeah. We love the army. अच्छा, तो खैर, I think that's it. Another amazing episode of the GBR pod, Chalan Crew, episode number 21. कराची 21 नंबर से. हमजा इब्राहिम का गाना अगर आपने ना सुना हो तो सुन लीजिएगा आप.
ब्रो ये सब कौन लोग हैं यार? इतने नाम सुनने को आजकल मिल रहे हैं. शानू, मानू, पता नहीं.
Manu, bro, Manu is good. Listen to Manu's song. Manu was on our
I don't
podcast.
know,
How do you
man,
not know? Manu is Janubi Khargosh.
Janubi Kukdi something. I don't know, man. Yeah, there's so many. Seekh Kebab.
In some aspects, na, Rizwan is very old. Matlab, like for 50-year-old hai in some aspects. Where he's like,
get it, man.
Rizwan ki life mein na, there's a ceiling of artists that he will know about, or that occurred like 10 years ago. Everybody new is like working against that ceiling. They're being squeezed in. Most people just stay out of that ceiling wala room. Like you, why are more people making music?
हाँ मतलब बस कर दो ना. People like fucking John Mayer. People like John Mayer. Like बस कर दो ना.
जो अच्छा म्यूजिक था वो बन गया. अब और क्या जरूरत है? बस वही सुनो.
यार क्या हम 5 और मिनट किस एक दो चीजों के बारे में बात नहीं कर सकते? Some current issues.
What do you want? Oh no. अच्छा हाँ, क्या बात करनी है?
Blow like
blow मेरे को पूछना तो थे. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Like fuck bro.
Oh,
but on that topic again, there's another photographer who messages me kabhi on Instagram. Uska naam usne bola hai ki please na lo. So he wanted me to talk about this too on the podcast. कि एक तो ये भी चल रहा है कि बुली करो यंग फोटोग्राफर्स को. शादियों पे हमारे साथ भी होता आ रहा है. 4-5 साल से लोग कोनियां मारते हैं, धक्के मारते हैं दूसरे फोटोग्राफर्स जो सो कॉल्ड सीनियर है. एक तो सीनियर वाला फकिंग देसी कॉन्सेप्ट जो है ना, फक दिस शिट. मतलब मैंने 15 साल इसमें गुजारे हैं. वेल फक यू ब्रो. मतलब यू कुडंट मूव ऑन. अभी भी वही यहाँ पे कर रहे हो. Yeah, if you were a good photographer or a good business person, you would have been something else by now. 15 साल में. So so this young photographer, he messaged me a couple of days ago asking me कि यार मैं photos किसी के लिए edit करने का मुझे assignment मिल रहा है, तो मुझे कितना charge करना चाहिए. I told him yeah, there are no rules about it. मतलब this is like a range that you can charge. और मैंने जो उसको range बताई थी, उसने वो quote किया आगे बंदे को. And they were like, bro, मतलब उसका 10% counter quote आया.
Wow.
और वो जवाब में यह आया कि मैं तो ये आपको पूरे पाकिस्तान में ये भी आप डिजर्व नहीं करते. आपको ये भी कोई पे नहीं करेगा. और
So why are you hiring him if he's so bad? मतलब
yeah,
what?
Exactly. And this was coming from another
senior
famous photographer. Yeah, senior, so-called senior photographer.
This whole senior bullshit ना ये stand-up comedy में भी होता है. Senior comedians की stories हमें सुनने को मिलती हैं. हम नाम नहीं लेंगे.
Yeah.
But
senior comedians.
Fuck this senior bullshit, bro.
It's horrible, man.
If you have
bro,
to
musicians में भी होता है.
हाँ,
I'm sure.
If you have to tell somebody कि मैं senior हूँ, मेरी respect होनी चाहिए, that means you do not deserve anything. ठीक है?
Exactly.
Yeah.
मतलब ये एक सीनियर फोटोग्राफर का एक रिश्तेदार मुझे कुछ दिन पहले मिला था ऐसे in a social setting, and he asked me what do you do. मैंने कहा I'm a wedding photographer, and he said oh मेरा वो रिश्तेदार है वो भी he's this well known photographer. मैंने कहा हाँ उनको तो सब जानते हैं of course. और he's like हाँ उनकी देखा देखी हर कोई वेडिंग फोटोग्राफर बन गया. I'm like why would you say that? एक तो in like a social setting where you're trying to have like a good conversation with someone, or did that person invent photography for fuck's sake? Wedding photography has been there for hundreds of years, and किसी की देखा देखी का क्या मतलब है? और हाँ, people do get inspired by other photographers and do take up photography. People get inspired by guitarists and musicians and take up music, and that's fine. But senior, junior
Bro,
और ये पे
छोटे लोग जो है ना इनकी सोच जितने पैसे जितनी भी शोहरत आ जाए they will stay small. They will stay
exactly.
और plus they deserve nothing but disdain.
Yeah. अब and again अभी इस सब के दौरान ये औरत मार्च भी हुआ और फिर मुझे ये ख्याल आ रहा था कि हाँ ये बड़े सीनियर फोटोग्राफर्स की बात हो रही है, and who are like the 10 crazy good wedding photographers I can think of in Pakistan, and probably all of them are women. आपके सारे ये मर्द में लगे हुए हैं दूसरों को नीचे दिखाने में और कोनियां मारो इवेंट्स पे धक्के दो गालियां दो इन में, and all the women photographers are doing amazing work. Like if I have to name, मुझे कोई बोले 5 wedding photographers गिनो पाकिस्तान के, सारे सब women हैं.
Name some.
Palwasha Minas, one.
Palwasha Minas. Yeah. There's Small Shutter that is practically run by women. There's Fatima Tariq in Karachi. There's Iza in Lahore. There's Sara Idris in Lahore. There's Simab. There's Natasha Zubair, amazing, huge fashion photographer now. She's everywhere, working with all major brands. And usko milo, she's like just a normal person, like everyone else. The amount of work that she does, like every major brand ka shoot that I see, she features somewhere. Or there are no airs about the work, कुछ भी नहीं, सुकून है, it's work यार. मतलब अब हम सब अपना अपना काम कर रहे हैं.
They're not compensating for small dicks ना, ये मसला है.
That's the thing. Yep.
Which is what all इस तरह के asshole men are doing. के bro,
yeah.
पता हम तो इतने इस मंजे हुए खिलाड़ी हैं, हम तो ये bro, fuck off, bro. There's a great short movie that Munib, Irfan's friend, and now also my friend, he recommended. It's a movie का नाम है Yorker. I think it's by the people who made Digestive something biscuit or whatever. It's very full Karachi से. उसमें ना एक कोई क्रिकेटर होता है, some cricketer guy, and he's like in some trouble. तो उसके साथ भी ना यही होता है, पुलिस वाला पुलिस स्टेशन में बैठा होता है, वो कहता है यार तुम आओ जरा हमारे ग्राउंड, तुम ना वट्टे मारते हो, मैं तुम्हें सिखाऊंगा, हम लोग हमारा तो काम ही यही है. This is the thought process of the whole country about everything. हम तुम्हें सिखाएंगे यार, मतलब आओ तुम कभी हमारे पास, आधा वादा कुछ नहीं है. Anyway, on that optimistic note, thank you very much for listening, watching. If you have so far, if you haven't, but chale phir bhi. Our next episode is going to be with a very interesting travel person, another travel person. आप जरा देखिएगा, वो बहुत मशहूर हो रहा है on YouTube. He has, as of this recording, he has nearly 300,000 subscribers. But really cool, really nice, humble guy. Episode अभी तक record नहीं हुई है, लेकिन जब ये episode आप देखेंगे तो वो वाली record हो चुकी होगी. That's coming next week, and then in a couple weeks, episode 100, bro. हम सब suit में होंगे, ठीक है? We're all gonna wear suits.
Yes.
Or at least the coat. नीचे तो किसी में नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है जी.
Bro, yeah.
Rizwan Pelwan, Nader Shahzad, Sarkhil Seven Khan, even though उसने छोड़ दी है नौकरी. Mohalla Bird, DBR Pod, whatever. We have a Patreon. You should support us. Because
please give us money.
Nah, if you like us, consider. There's also the coffee thing, which is like a one-off thing if you don't want to get into like a membership monthly. ठीक है, links इधर उधर.
Yeah.